to the Rhodes Island.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the beautiful island of Rhodes. Rhodes is the largest of the Dodecanese islands of Greece, and is also the island group's historical capital. The population of the island exceeds 115,000. About 50,000 live in the capital city. It covers an area of 1,400 square kilometers. Rhodes has a rich historical past, which you can tell by its historical buildings and monuments. The atmosphere in Rhodes Old Town is simply unique. Rhodes is an island in the Aegean Sea, the largest of the Dodecanese island complex. The landscape of Rhodes mainly comprises of hills and low mountains, which in their majority are covered with forests. The climate of Rhodes is subtropical and considered very healthy. The daily average temperature ranges from 12 degrees Celsius in January and February to 32 degrees Celsius in August. Rhodes Island is the ideal destination to explore beautiful beaches, fascinating history, culinary delights, natural beauties, invigorating nightlife and more. Welcome to the beautiful island of Rhodes. Welcome to the beautiful island of Rhodes.
Thanks for watching.